Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change or update the upload date of any file in your Google Drive. By default, Google Drive does not give you a direct button to edit a file's upload timestamp. But do not worry, there are two simple workarounds to give your file a fresh date right now. The first method is the fastest. We call it the make a copy trick. First, open your Google Drive and find the file you want to update. Right-click on the file and select Make a Copy. Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate of your document. This new copy will automatically register today's date and the exact current time as its official upload timestamp. From there, simply rename the new file to remove the words "copy of" and then delete your original file. You are completely done in under 10 seconds. If you prefer a completely fresh upload or if the first method does not suit your needs, here is the classic download and re-upload approach. Step 1. Right-click your file in Google Drive and click Download to save it directly to your computer. Step 2. Once the file is safely on your hard drive, delete the original file from your Google Drive workspace. Step 3. Click the New button, select File Upload and re-upload the file you just saved. Because the system treats this as a brand new action, Google Drive will log the file with a brand new date and timestamp in its metadata. And that is it. Two quick, effective ways to refresh your file's upload date without any complex software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.